wherever you may be, however you may be watching. Welcome up. We're having a fantastic day. We are having a very special pack opening. This isn't a traditional box. This is probably along with the vintage series that you see back in January of 2021. But today we have my last pack of spell rulers that we're going to open up. And before we do that, we have 5 Phantom Rage packs that we're going to do. Now, obviously, you guys know Phantom Rage. We're looking for that Zeus. We're looking for the Scarlet Rares and all that jazz. So that's what we're looking up with Phantom Rage. A reminder of spell rulers: we have the Blue Eyes Toon Dragon, the Toon Mermaid, Toon Summon Skull, Delinquent Duo, Snatch and Seal. Those are the big ticket items, top 5 cards in this pack. So let's see if we can get those. But first, let's get into the Phantom Rage packs. But yeah, like I said, we have 5 Phantom Rage packs along with the 1 spell ruler. So let's just go right in the middle here. First pack. That came out like butter. All right. Patent pending. Guess the card. We're gonna go with Monster. Yeah, Monster. Pat's on back with Heinzima, Haizumi, Hanabai. Haizumi, Hanabai. Tactical Trapper. Raider, Unbreakable Mind. Gluteus, Rolfin the Grethus. Prank Kids, Meow Meow Moo is the rare. Is this rare or Prank Kids? Is the hollow. Tribridge Revolt. Free Range Monsters. Infernity Wildcat. Infernity Suppression. Good. But we got the Prank Kids, Meow Meow Moo as the hollow. Put that right there. Alright, let's then get to the next one here. We're going to do Spell. Trap. Alright, Dual Avatar Compact. Virtual World Shell Jaja. This deck, when people first saw these Virtual World cards, they thought that this deck wasn't going to do anything, but look at we now. Virtual Worlds is now the top deck in the world. Generator Transverser. UA Libio Spiker. Virtual World Myheim Lulu. This is the rare. This is actually a really good card. This is a $20 card right now on the market. That is insane. Great card. That's the rare. Actually. Waking the Possessed. Jack in the Hand. Dual Avatar Return, and Cubic Ford. Alright, I'm actually going to put this card in a sleeve before I say anything, do anything else, because this card's actually worth a good amount of money. A $20 card, right there. Cool, guys. We're hitting on these Phantom. Oop, sorry, microphone. Hitting on these Phantom Rage packs. At least on that second one. That was a big hit. Alright. We're going to do Spell. Trap. Okay. Alright, we are going to do UA Man of the Match. Awakening of the Possessed. Banquet of the Millions. Mutant Blast. The next one should be the hollow. Virtual World Jaime. Is this the other Virtual World that's really big right now? No, this one isn't. But yeah, another Virtual World card. Alright, come on, get in focus. Sorry guys, my camera is having a hard time focusing. Here, I just have to hold it back a little bit further. Virtual World Jaime. Infernity Paranoia. Virtual World Gate, Charge into the Darkness, and Magical Broker. Alright. So far, so good. We're getting pretty good hollows. Alright, we always go left. We always go left first. We always do left side first. Alright, come on. Alright, we are going to guess monster. Hey, monster, Pat's on back. And we got Mutant, GB88. Arcanon Reading, Dual Avatar Compact, Virtual World Shell, Virtual World Cuba Shuden is the hollow. More Virtual World cards. 1 or 8. Phantom Knights of the Stain Jeeves. So a nice Phantom Knights card. Awakening of the Poisoned. And Jack in the Hand. I got these cards mixed up. Alright. And then the last pack for Phantom Rage is going to be, let's guess, Spell. And it is a monster. Maharma Fairy Dragon. Raid Raptor Heel Eagle. Tribridge Oath. Infernity Conjurer. This next one should be the hollow. Rock Band Exo Guitar is the hollow. Tribridge Regal the Silver Shelter. Jabbing Panda. Penguin Brave. And Penniless of the Empress Blossom. Alright, that's it for the this Virtual World card is actually, this one is $5, which is cool. Which means this gets a sleeve. Cool. And actually, this one is not the secret rare, but this one is really popular with the Tribridge cards. The Tribridge Regal Silver Shelter. So yeah, cool. So good pulls today. So we got Virtual World, then we got Virtual World Nihime Lulu. Got good things. Then the other hollows that came out of the pack. Cool. Off to the side. Now we get to the Piece de Resistance Spell Ruler. Alright, you guys seen me open this pack before. I love these vintage packs. So yeah, let's hope for a Blue Eyes Toon Dragon or something like that. Let's get something sweet out of this. If you guys haven't seen any of the vintage pack openings, go check them out. I did them back in January, so please go check that one out for me, guys. Oh, that came out, guys. Look how clean that came out. I pretty much saved the entire pack. I'll put that over there. That one came out clean. All right, guess the card game. We're going to do Spell. And it is a monster. Sonic Bird. A solid level 4. Queen Bird. So you have Sonic Bird, Queen Bird. Turtle Oath. Minor. The artwork is just so old school. Giant Germ. Oh, this is taking me back, man. Back in time. Giant Germ. Weather Report. Dark Zebra. Another good solid level 4. Gaia Power. Increase all attack on all earth monsters by 500 and decrease their defense by 400. And then Luminous Spark. Increase all light monsters by 500 and decrease their defense by 400. Nice old schools. But the rare is the Giant Germ. When this card is destroyed by battle and sent to the graveyard and inflict 5 damage to your opponent, you can also special summon any number of Giant Germs from your deck and face up attack position. This is a great card. Nice old school pack. This is good. I love doing these vintage pack openings. I really do. Nice. Good stuff. Giant Germ is not one of the rare ones. I do remember I did pull the Cyber Jar as the rare in one of the previous vintage packs. So that was a cool pack opening I got from these old ones. So that's awesome. So we got the Giant Germ, and then we got the Virtual World cards today. Good pack opening. Please, thank you for all that watch. Please hit the like button down below. Also leave a comment. Let me know what is your favorite card that I pulled today. And check out the Discord links. I do a lot of Twitch streams, doing Yu-Gi-Oh! Duels on Twitch. I also play some other stuff, as you guys know from my channel. And yeah, hit the subscribe button and all that jazz. You guys know what to do. I'll see you guys next time.